Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your speaker not working on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. And let's begin. First of all, let's simply expand the control center from the top right corner and disable the Bluetooth. This way we are sure that our audio isn't being rerouted. After we have done that, there are a couple of things we can do. First of all, we can try to, for example, play some YouTube video, but I don't want to do it because I don't want to get copy striked, and check what exactly is wrong with our volume. Is it gone completely? Is it just so quiet that we can barely hear it? Well, if it's gone completely, we can always test the volume levels by clicking either of the volume buttons, and as you can see, this changes our volume. We can also click these three dots to get more, if I screwed it up, to get more volume options, and we can also click the cogwheel icon to get into main volume settings. Now it's pretty obvious that if we decrease the volume completely, we do not hear anything, giving us the illusion that our speaker isn't working, so you want to make sure that your media at least... okay, thank you. That our media is pretty high up. But after you have done that and you still have issues with your speaker, you can always try to clean it using some sort of toothbrush or toothpick at best. Please, for the love of God, do not use anything metallic, as this will most likely damage your speakers entirely. And after you have done that, we can also go into settings, scroll all the way down, head into software update, download and install, and simply check for newest updates. If we are an victim of some sort of bug or just mischievous issue, there is a very high chance that newest software update or just a security patch fixed that issue. And if you still have some other troubles, I would just advise you to expand the control center, click the power icon, and then restart your device. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you restart your device, you're not only restarting the software but hardware as well, including the speakers themselves. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.